Murder rates on the city's subways have reached an all-time high.
Kidnapping and murdering young children, a line even the mutants hadn't crossed until now. Despite the family paying the ransom, the mutants still took the boy's life. This marks a chilling escalation from a group many are already calling the worst criminals Gotham City has seen since the Joker.
Tonight's presentation of Tyrone Power in the Mark of Zorro